Hi there, Arjen from Lucas Fox here, and welcome to Les Belvederes. Today I will be showing you around a duplex penthouse in the urbanization of Les Belvederes. And it is a complex that is quite high up in Nueva Andalucia, but that makes for the most amazing views you can get in Nueva Andalucia. You've got views of the entire coastline as well as the entire Gulf Valley just in front of you. The apartment itself has been completely stripped to the bone and done anew, so it's a renovation, but you almost have just a new built apartment. Without talking about it too much, I'll just show you what I'm talking about, and I'll give you some more details in the end. So that was it for today for Les Belvederes. Let me just give you the small recap. So we've got 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, so all of the bedrooms are en suite, and a guest bathroom downstairs for guests. Everything is refurbished to the highest qualities, highest standards. Just to give you an example, the floors throughout the entire penthouse are solid oak. So just for you to get an idea of the qualities used here. Furniture is included, again, really high quality furniture. And well, we have about 300 square meters of constructed surface. If you want more information about this penthouse, just go to our website www.lucasfox.com or just give me a call. See you next time.